Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Peace Okanime and I am here to share my experience regarding cargoing some food items. I know some of you would like to bring your food items, but mostly the local Nigerian food items while traveling to the UK. But sometimes it could be confusing. You don't know how to bring it. You don't know the document needed to bring it. You don't even know the required number of kg you need. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience cargoing food items via the sea, the cost breakdown, and the cargo company I used. If this interests you, keep watching. Why did I cargo food items instead of buying them here in the UK upon arrival? Well, for me, I love my Nigerian food. Two, buying food items, especially our local food items here in the UK, can be very expensive, like crayfish, ogbono. Your local spices like okpei, mogili, they are very pricey here. So it is cheaper to bring it from home while coming to the UK than buying it here. Also, I wanted to have enough stock that would last me for 6 months beyond, so that I don't have to go to the African store to go get Nigerian food items upon arrival. So this will save me some amount of pounds before I go and visit the store again. For everyone relocating, I strongly recommend that you bring some cultural meals, some Nigerian food items when relocating. Of course, you have to do it the right way, and I'm going to break it down for you. Now, choosing the right company was very important for me when I was making my research. I researched and found different companies. Now, I was looking out for a company that is reliable, affordable, close to where I'm living, and they will not give me, they have good customer care, they will not give me headache. So I researched, I asked friends, I asked for different price quotation from the different companies, and I settled down with Cargo Link. Yes, because I've heard about Cargo Link before when I was working, and I'm like, why not, if not, use Cargo Link? And they came through. When choosing a cargo company, you have to check for the reviews, you have to check for the reputation, you have to check the time frame that the item will get to you. You know that the sea shipping takes a lot of time. It takes 2 to 3 months. And check the reviews and check if their 2 to 3 months is 2 to 3 months. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So check the reviews, check for the affordability of the cargo, check if they are reliable, check if they will not give you extra cost after they shipped your item. Very important. For me, Cargo Link ticked all these boxes. They are reliable, they stick to the time frame. In fact, it came even earlier than the time frame, and I was not worried. And also, their price was unbeatable. I was even thinking maybe other companies were bringing, because the way sea cargo is that the minimum kg is 100 kg. The minimum weight, I mean, is 100 kg. And then they have to full, as in, there's this container, 40-feet container that is used for sea shipping. And sometimes some companies don't meet up to the standard. What I mean is that the container is not full, and sometimes these other companies, they come together to make sure that if the 40-feet container is full before shipping out. So I was like, and Cargo Link was cheap. A kg was £1.50. Some other companies were charging £1.80. Some were charging £2. I was like, maybe these other companies are working with Cargo Link. And I didn't even think twice. I jumped on cargo link offer, and they were smooth, they were reliable, and at every point in time they were communicating. Now let's talk about the packaging. UK is very strict on their food regulation. If you don't package it the right way, you will not be able to clear the item. So they are very strict on how you package your item. Here are the following items I cargoed via sea using cargo link. I'm going to be looking down because I have them written down here. I cargoed, and the minimum kg is 100 kg. The minimum, sorry, what was I saying the minimum kg? The minimum weight is 100 kg. And I cargoed the following items. I cargoed some clothing. I cargoed gari. The clothing took up to 20 kg. I cargoed gari, yellow gari, which was up to 15 kg. I cargoed Ijebu gari, which was up to 10 kg. I cargoed palm oil. This palm oil I cargoed was giving me joy. It gave me joy because the stories I've been hearing about the taste of groundnut oil in this UK. I said groundnut oil. Palm oil. This palm oil gave me joy. I cargoed a 15 liters of groundnut and palm oil and a 5-liter palm oil. So I have 15 liters of palm oil cargoed. An interesting thing is that the oil did not spill. It was intact. The way I packaged it in Lagos, it arrived to the UK just like that. Just like that. And cargo link, thank you. I'm going to use you over and over and over again whenever I want to cargo. And I'm going to recommend you guys to other people because you guys did a clean job. Nothing spilled. Even the gari, well packaged. Okay, let me continue listing the items I cargoed. I also cargoed pots. The pot was like 4 kg. I cargoed Indomie, the onion Indomie. I cargoed tiger nuts and dates. Of course, I love tiger nut and date drink, so I cargoed it. I cargoed moi moi plates, some storage plates. Yes, I cargoed that too. I cargoed golden morn because golden morn is expensive in this country, so I cargoed that. I also cargoed beans. Yes, 25 kg of beans. Now, for the packaging requirement for beans, you have to pour the beans inside a 25 liters gallon. It's a yellow gallon. You have to pour the beans inside with enough red pepper. I think it's a red chili pepper that is dry. So I got I think a bag, I don't even know how many bags of beans, how many yellow rubber of beans I bought, but I got enough. The beans was much. Then I got 1 pint of the red pepper. I think the beans was 20 kg. The pepper was 1 kg. Yeah, so I mixed everything together. You have to make use of nose mask before you can do that because the pepper will enter your nose. So that is to show you how the pepper was enough. So you are advised, one tip, buy 1 pint of red pepper, dried red pepper, to mix with the beans. So the ratio is 20 because the gallon is 25 kg. So 20 kg of beans, and the remaining one should be for pepper. Am I mixing it? The gallon should be, I think the gallon is 25 kg. Yes. So your pepper should be 1 kg. Yes, 1 kg or 3 kg. I think the yellow rubber is 3 kg. So if the yellow rubber is 3 kg, then you should know how many kg of beans you should need. So, but if you are to fill that yellow rubber with beans, then you should get 1 yellow container of red chili pepper that is dry. You mix it together, make sure the pepper is much, then a tight, cover your yellow gallon very well. Anyway, when you get to the cargo company, they will tell you this. Sometimes they offer to help you. They offer to do this mixing and packaging for you. But me, I did it because I have the information already, so I did it myself. I also cargoed peak milk because my daughter is still taking pap. So I bought peak 1 to 3 in carton and I cargoed it. I also cargoed custard. Yes, I cargoed custard because since I could not come with pap, I said, okay, let me make use of custard for her. And I cargoed custard. I cargoed the big one, and then a carton of the sachet 1 kg custard. That was what I cargoed. Then pressure pots. Yes, I cargoed the 10-liter pressure pot because we needed it to cook the kanda, to cook beans and the rest of them. And what again did I cargo? Nothing. Now, let me tell you the cost breakdown of what I cargoed. So you will see me looking down because I wrote everything down. I wrote the price of the things I bought. Yes. For the yellow gari, I bought 5 pints of yellow gari. It cost 15,000 naira. I bought 3 pints of Ijebu gari. It cost 17,000 naira. Then I bought 20 kg of beans, which is approximately 6 pints of beans. I bought it for 55,000 naira. I think I ended up only putting 5 pints of beans. Yes. 1 pint cost 11,000 naira. So 5 pints is 55,000 naira. Then moving to the palm oil. The 15 kg of palm oil cost me 14,000 naira. Is that cheap? Yes, because my mother supplies palm oil. So I got it at a cheaper rate. Then I bought peak 1, 2, 3, the carton of it, for 46,000 naira. I also got custard, the 2 kg custard, for 5,000 naira. I got the custard as in the 700-gram custard. I got 1 carton of it for 13,000 naira. I also got the dry pepper that I used to mix the beans. I got 1 pint costing 10,000 naira. Then for the indomie, I bought just 1 carton of onion super pack indomie. That time it was 12,800 naira. Then for the dates, I bought half pint. That is 2 kg, which is 3,000 naira. The tiger nut cost 4,000 naira. The moi moi plate, which is 12 pieces, cost 3,700 naira. The storage plates, I didn't carry it later. I wasn't able to cargo that. But for the golden one, I bought 3 golden one, 3 sachet of golden one. I think the 1 kg, the big sachet, I got it for 9,000 naira. So 1 is 3,000, 3 is 9,000 naira. Then the gallon, the 25 kg gallon, I got it for 2,500. And then I got some sack bag because at Cargo Link, you would have to package all your items inside a sack bag. For the gari, you will package it inside a sack bag and tie it. Then you put it inside. For me, I now put everything inside Ghana Must Go, the sack traveling bag that we call Ghana Must Go, to secure it again. Then for your palm oil, you will have to tight it. Make sure it's tight. If you need, when you buy a gallon, there is the inner cover and then there's the outer cover. Make sure before you cover the inner one, you put nylon and then cover it, and then use the other outer part that is color red to close it properly. Close it very tight so that it doesn't spill. That is for your palm oil. Then I don't know how much I got the pressure pot. I forgot to write it down here, but that's pretty much what I cargoed, and all of them together summed up to, well, I think 107 kg. Yes, they summed up to 107 kg. It took about 10 weeks to arrive in the UK. Some companies offer air freight, which is faster but more expensive. But I chose sea freight because it was more affordable and I was not in a hurry. When the cargo arrived, my husband had to go pick up at a pickup location sent to him. Everything was intact, like I said. There was no damage, there was no missing item. However, customs did some check of the package, but since I followed the rules, there was no problem with my cargo item. If you are thinking of cargoing food to the UK, let me give you a summary. Here are the top tips. Use a trusted cargo company. I can recommend Cargo Link to you. Always package item properly to avoid spills or damage. Label items in English for easy identification. Avoid shipping fresh or perishable food to prevent issues with custom, because this is sea cargo and it takes 2 to 3 months. And because it is sea cargo, you have to plan ahead because it takes time. So don't send last minute items because you will regret. That's it from my experience, my people. I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. Would I do sea cargo again? Yes, of course, absolutely. It saved me money and ensured I had familiar food when I arrived. If you found this video helpful and useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you in my next video. Bye for now.